We come from there, so we don't go same way. But yeah, a lot of electric vehicle everywhere here. That's very good. In Baclaran area. I've not seen like this before in Philippines. So I never feel any pollution here. No, nothing. They have electric. There's one electric, there come another, and there is one. Then one motorbike, of course, but mostly electric. Hey, you have the last here. Take it. Take it. Baclaran Gas Center. I don't see any charging station, or maybe they just do it on any plug. That's a nice color of the house. Yeah. That you have a no petrol station, not petrol. I mean fire department. Another. Yeah, airport is very close. Hello. Hello. See, region NCR. That's Manila maybe. Or is this area? The capital, okay. So maybe it's a problem if you buy a vehicle in another province and then you take it here and then they say you have to register it again. Is this police station? No, barangay, Barangay for Baclaran. Parañaque, yeah.
I think you don't have to register it, but what you need is you must get a ticket for roaming around so that you don't need to when there is some checkpoint.
Yeah. Oh, that's a woman, huh? Many babies. You have many babies, huh? Many babies. You have many babies? Yeah, but it's police. See, we really here they can hardly drive, eh? Only this electric vehicle and some motorbike. No car, of course. See, if they have a fire, they have a big problem, eh? No fire department can come here. Maybe they have their own water, they can try to... Not so bad here, eh? Not noisy also. Huh? Yeah, I have full speed here.